Hello, this is Dan with InfoChip on behalf of Atlantic Hose and Fittings. Here today to help give you a quick tutorial on how to search for an asset using our search filter, as well as taking a look at that asset and viewing its life history and things of that sort. When you're doing this, after logging in, you want to go up to the top left of the screen and under Assets, select Asset Search. It is within this area that you will find our search filter button at the top left hand corner of the screen. Once selected, you can search a number of different ways, but the three most common ways, I believe, for your application and use is going to be simply an asset number that may be listed and broadcast on the asset. Once you put the asset number in that field, you hit the search button and it will pull the asset up. You can use chip ID if there is one available on the tag. And the same thing, once typed in, hit search. You can also search for a group of assets based on location. So you would just put the owner here and then look through the list of locations to find your specific location that you're searching for. Under Hebron Platform, there is Blue Water, there is CAHI drilling, and lower depth cylinders. Well, Atlantic Hose and Fittings has gotten this very specific to departments. You would just pick the right department and then hit search. For our purposes here, I'm going to select Blue Water and then hit search. And it will give me every asset that's been allocated to Hebron Platform / Blue Water. If I wanted to, again, search by asset number, I would just type it in right here. Hit search. And it will give me that specific asset. If I want to find out more about this asset, I hit the little hand on the left hand side and it tells me everything about it. Even gives me, under this particular tab here, when it was last inspected, when its next inspection date is. Under the completed work tab, I can see that inspection and actually click the hand and it gives me the results of that inspection. I can see questions asked and the results. I can print that inspection as well. If I'd like to go back to the main screen, asset overview screen, just hit the green back button and it brings me back here. And that should do it.